Hello, this is Miss Huda and I'm going to teach you the phonics lesson for today. Let's take a look at the whiteboard and read the wall together. Alright, I want you to open your literacy classwork copybooks and start writing the date as well as the word. Let's read the wall together. We are learning to improve our spelling strategies using the URE letter pattern. Today we will be mainly focusing on two letter patterns, the ch and the j. So let's take a look at the first letter pattern here. Okay. It starts with the letter T. So always remember that it starts with the letter T. Okay, so we say ch, ch. But here, it starts with the letter S. And we pronounce it as j, j. Alright, let's suggest more words about each pattern to be able to grasp the idea. Ch. Who can tell me some words that end with the suffix ch? Excellent! The easiest word ever, it's picture. What else? Good. Very good. Creature. Excellent. Like a sea creature, right? What else? Very good, and we took it before. It's the wheel puncture. The puncture, I'm sorry. Yes. Just get me the wiper. Okay, it's puncture. The wheel puncture. I had a wheel puncture while I was going home. So it's like a hole in the wheel. All right, next. Very good. It's furniture. All houses nowadays have furniture, right? So if I were to ask you, what is the singular of the word furniture? So furniture here. So some students will say furniture and the plural is furnitures. No, it is not correct. The singular form of the word furniture is a piece of furniture, but the plural one is furniture without the S. Let's think of more words that end with the suffix ch. Okay, we can say, What do we find in the museums? Excellent. Sculptures. Sculptures. Sculptures are figures and they are made of clay, maybe stones or metal. Very good. So when you go and visit a museum, you will find a lot of sculptures. Okay, what are the words that you can get and have the suffix ch? Very good. Can you think of more words that have the suffix ch? Okay, excellent. At the end of every letter or a message in your link book, there should be a excellent. So let us write it here. We're running out of space. Signature, right? So let's read the words together. Puncture, puncture, picture, picture, signature, signature, creature, creature, furniture, furniture, sculpture, sculpture. And we also have more words like nature, right? And who can give me another word? Yes, the last word, so we can switch to the other letter pattern. Very well. It's adventure. Right? Adventure. Very good. Adventure. It ends with the suffix ch. Let's move to the next letter pattern that has the sound of j. J. Like the pirates found in the ship. Very good. It's treasure. Treasure. So here it is pronounced as j. J. The next word is very good. The word that we took in numeracy to find the length of a line, a straight line, maybe a triangle, a square. Brilliant. It's measure. Measure. Brilliant. What else? All right. I don't know if it's a new word to you, but let's write this word. It's leisure. Leisure. Like when I ask you, what do you do for leisure? What do you do in your free time? Leisure is a very good word. So let's repeat after me. Okay? Leisure. Leisure. Measure. Measure. Treasure. Treasure. Very good. Here are the words that you will find in your pupil book. And now let's open our pupil books on page 81. I want you to read the information box over there. And don't worry if you don't have the books, I will scan the pages for you. So here you are, the information box. All right, read it silently and then switch to page 82. So we're going to write here page 82, pupil book, exercise A. We're going to answer from 1 to 5. Okay, so we will pick the suitable word from the box and put it in the right space, in the right gap. So let's read the head of the question together. Copy and complete each sentence with the word from the word box. So take a look at your book or the scanned page and start answering with me. Number 1. The artist drew a beautiful space of the view. Excellent. Picture, it's very easy indeed. Next. The space chest was buried in the sand. And from the word chest, we got to know the answer. It's pretty easy. Like the pirates, they have found very good treasure. Treasure. Number 3. I like to play basketball during your free time. Very well. Leisure. Leisure. Okay. Next. My mother had to space me before buying me new trousers. So she needs to take the size, like the word we took in numeracy. Excellent. It's measure. Very good. Next word, and it's the last one. Apparently, it was hard to read at the bottom of the letter. At the end of the letter, we always find a name, and we call it signature. We call it signature. Perfect. So that's for the classwork. Let's go and take a look at the homework. All right, this is your homework. And don't worry if you don't have the book. I will scan the page for you. And of course, I will provide you with a model answer so you can correct your answers after you finish. Here you are, the page. It's pretty easy, as you see. You just need to put the words under each picture. Very easy. And exercise B, you just need to complete using the words sh and j. And exercise C, you just need to write the definitions of only 4 words. Alright, I guess that's it for now. I hope you had a great time and see you next time. Thank you and have a good day.